everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in another challenge. In this case it's a DIY challenge hosted by Heidi Sounburn. Please visit her channel. She's adorable and her channel is awesome. I will leave the link in the description box, and I will also leave the link as usual to the playlist with all the participants in this challenge collaboration. I'm here with the theme is Valentines. If you watch my video from yesterday, I made 3 different projects, easy projects, and here I am today with another 3 projects for Valentines. The first one is using the Dollar Tree signs. They come in 3 parts with some corrugated tin, metallic hearts, and no, 2, I think it's 2 parts, because I bought 2 signs. I think it's 2 parts. Yes, sorry. And I'm going to do this first project, which is really easy and really quick, and I'm using almost all Dollar Tree items. First I'm going to hang these hearts, and I'm going to use twine, and I want them to hang at different heights. So let's adhere the twine to the heart, like so. I've already marked in the back of the sign where I want the hearts to be glued. So this is going to be quick and really inexpensive. These hearts are also from Dollar Tree. They come 4 in a bag, and they are absolutely adorable. This is a shorter one. Then I'm going to add these other wooden hearts that I already have. I bought them at Michael's, I don't know, I think it's like 15 years ago. So I'm going to add them in the center of the black hearts. And the third one. Now, oops, as you can see, here are the marks. So all I have to do now is to add some hot glue here and here, not to the table, and here. My finger protector. And here we go. Later I'm going to add more hot glue to fix them, to adhere them better, but I want to make the 3 projects as quickly as possible. So now I made the marks where I'm going to adhere this ribbon that comes with a sign. I'm using the one that came with a sign, so this can be hung. These protectors are awesome, as I said in my video yesterday. Now you can find them at Dollar Tree in the arts and crafts section. So well, here's the first project finished. I think it's really cute. Oh, I'm lying, it's not finished. I made these 3 twine bows to cover this hole. And now, yes, this is going to be finished. Well, I'm sorry, but my battery died all of a sudden, so I had to use another one. Hopefully this will last till the end of this video. So well, I was telling you that for me it looks much better with the bows. So here is a first finished project. I think it's really cute, and it will look great hanging from one of my walls. So let's move on to the next one. For this project I'm using these socks from Dollar Tree. I'm using a mason jar in this case. I've already placed the mason jar inside the sock because it takes time, and I'm not pulling it completely because otherwise I'm going to add the lid. The lid is going to cover the heart, so I'm just placing it here, and I'm going to cut this piece and I'm going to glue the bottom border. Let me take the scissors, sorry. So I'm going to cut this part like so. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. And now I'm going to add hot glue all around, a nice amount, and I'm going to glue this part. Okay. Now I'm going to cut part of this top part of the sock, and I'm going to fold it this way. So you can see that you have the hearts on the front. Okay, I'm going to add the lid, if I can find it. Oh, I see it. Okay, hold on. Sorry about this. Here it is. So I'm going to add the lid. It's not going to be completely how do you say it in English? Yes, it fits perfectly. I thought it was going to be loose. And I'm going to add this bow on top. I need another stick. Oh, it never happened to me something like this. This is new. It's alive. Something is going on here. Okay, we have the bow. This ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. New this year. They never had it before. At least I have never seen it before, and many people are saying they haven't seen this before. They have the same in black and white. Really cute. And I'm going to fill it later with chocolates that I need to go and buy. As I said in my video yesterday, I haven't been well. I have had some health issues, so I haven't had time to go to buy the chocolates. But well, as you can see, this is a very quick and easy project that you can do in a minute. And the other one is using one of the flower vases from Dollar Tree. You see, the ones that we all know already. I use the other sock, and I cut the bottom. I place the base here. I like how it looks. At first I did this. I place the sock right to the border, which looks good. But then, as I'm planning on placing inside a cellophane bag with chocolates that I'm going to tie, and then I'm going to place this bow on top, like here, I thought that it looked better this way, because this is not going to be seen. So the bag is going to go inside. I'm going to tie it with the bow, and then I'm going to place the bag inside, and the bow is going to be seen on top of the base, like this. So this is another very quick project. I'm going to again cut this part. I want it to be as flat as possible so the base can stand on its own. Yeah, perfect. So now I'm going to add some hot glue, as I did with the mason jar. I'm thinking of later adding a circle of red paper here, or red cardboard, or cardstock probably, which is thinner, to give it a better finish, you know, for it not to look this way, especially because it's going to be a present. And I may do the same with this one. I think it's going to look better that way. So now I'm going to add a piece of this ribbon. Let me see, the hearts are here. I think I'm going to add it here. Yes, I like it. I'm going to cut it a little bit. Yeah. So again, with our friend the glue gun. And I already have a bow ready. that I'm going to add here to cover this part. I don't know if I told you that the socks are from Dollar Tree also. So, except for the red wooden hearts that I use in the sign at the beginning of this video, everything else is from Dollar Tree. Mason jar, even this bow, it comes with the cellophane bags. And this ribbon, the socks, the base, everything is from Dollar Tree. So they are really, really inexpensive projects that you can do very, very quickly. And let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6, $7, and I have 3 wonderful gifts for friends for this Valentine's Day. And I still have a leftover that I'm going to use in another base, probably. I don't know if I can be able to use this, I'm not sure, but let's see. So really, really, $2 per gift is nothing. And as I said yesterday in my other video, investing time instead of money in your friends, for me, is precious. I think that they appreciate that. So let me bring the 3 projects together. Of course, you can use the base for flowers. You can buy white roses, for example, and place them inside. Dollar Tree has beautiful roses that are, they look very realistic. So that's up to you and your creativity and imagination. Let me place this here, stay there. And here's the mason jar. So I hope you like these creations, and thank you so much to the hostess, sorry. I'm used to challenges where there are 2 hostesses, so in this case it's just Heidi. Thank you, Heidi, and please visit her channel. Please watch all the videos of the participants, and you will really, really help their channels grow and get inspired, which is really good. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video, please, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video, usually on Mondays. As you can see, today is not Monday. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your so very nice comments. They made my day. And hope you have a wonderful day. See you in my next one. Bye bye.